So hi my friends and my seniors, welcome back guys into this brand new video. So guys, this video is gonna be a very special and also a beautiful and memorable video for me. Yes guys, because you can see where I am. I am in the Rudrasagar, and this Rudrasagar is far from the Agartala 53 kilometers. Okay, and I live in Tripura, which is a small state of India, and my house is in the Agartala, which is the capital city of Tripura. There are 8 districts in Tripura: South Tripura, North Tripura, West Tripura, Dhalai, Unokoti, Khoai, Sipahijola, and Gumoti, as everyone knows. And there are 42 lakh people live in Tripura, and in Tripura all kind of people there, and also we live together very happily, means all caste of people. So that's why Tripura is also very famous. Tripura also very famous for its oldest and beautiful places. There are also some places are very natural and they are so beautiful. Like one of them is the Neermahal also. Like there are many tourist spots in Tripura, like Tripura Sundari Temple, Ujjanta Palace that is located in the Agartala, and also Unokoti, Sipahijola, Kamala Sagar Heritage Park, and also many there are many tourist spots are there. But I will tell to everyone that if anyone just tells the name of the tourist spots, beautiful tourist spots in Tripura without this Neermahal, then there will be wrong, because Neermahal is very beautiful, very old, and also one of the best tourist spots in the Tripura. And every year, every month, many tourists and also many people, they come here for only just to this Neermahal, and they are also very beautiful. They are catching the fishes.
Oh, I don't know.
Sure. There are also many fishermen. They are also just catching the fishes, and this is also scenery is very beautiful.
Oh.
So there, as you can see, there are also fishing speed, and the shouting style is also a new type to catch fish. Like you can see.
Yeah. Oh.
And also they are also looking so beautiful. All of the people, they are catching fish together, and it is also a good scenery. Like everyone thinks that beautiful days, what is the meaning of beautiful days? If you are thinking that beautiful days is only mean our success when we achieve goals, then it will be our beautiful day. Then you are wrong, because beautiful day is everything. Now you also are doing hard work, you are just practicing as something to do successfully in your life. This moment is also beautiful. Now I am making video, I am sitting in the Rudrasagar, I am watching Neer and there, I am also feeling good. It is also one of the beautiful day more for me, and I think all of the hard works are very beautiful day for us. What is the beautiful day? So it is the beautiful day. Beautiful day don't come to you, you must work towards them. Okay, now this moment, this scenery, if I also could make, I could make the videos in my home by sitting, and I am also can speak something in front of the camera, in front of the green screen, but I didn't do that. I try to do something new, and now I am here. This scenery is also very big beautiful day for me, and I want to talk about some lines about the Neermahal. So Neermahal is built by Raja Bir Bikram Kishore Manik Bahadur in 1913. And now you can see also Neermahal is only painted by only 2 colors. One is red color and one is the white color. And in the Neermahal also there are also many beautiful sceneries, and there are many historical things are there. And it is also a very big thing for us, a beautiful thing for us. And also in this Neermahal is also just located in Malagar, which is 53 kilometers far from the Agartala. And as you can see, this lake is also very big lake, and this lake name is the Rudrasagar, and Neermahal is in the middle part of the Rudrasagar. As you can see, like in everywhere of the Neermahal there are only the water and water. That's why if you want to go in the Neermahal, then also you have to travel with the help of the boat, and this thing also very beautiful. That's why there are many boats are there, like 1 2 3 4 5 boats, and the lake is also very beautiful. So guys, it was the thing that I want to tell everyone. And now, as you also can see, there are many fishermen, they are catching the fishes, and this they are also just earn money by catching the fishes, by doing hard work, and also by the help of the Rudra. So guys, as you can see, the scenery is also very beautiful. When I have come here, then also I saw them. Here you can see there is also many fishermen. They are just preparing themselves their nets and also their boats to go in a lake and to fish, and also catches many fish. So as you can see, there are the net. So this Rudrasagar is also helps them to earn money by fishing and also by catching the fishes and also by many works. So guys, that's why I also tell that the local people, they also catches the fishes from the lake and they earn more and more money. So guys, as you can see, this Rudrasagar is also very beautiful. And now I am in this spot, and this spot is also very beautiful, and I have come here, then I also feel so happy. As you can see, the lake is very big. I also am now shocked. There are also many boats are there, like a yellow boat, red boat, and also green boat. So they are also looking very beautiful. And the lake is also full of many leaves, many flowers, and they are looking so good. And I also am very shocked. As you can see them, they also are trying to catch as many fish, and they will. So it is the morning time, that's why they are preparing. But after a moment, they will go in the whole lake and they will catch as much as fish they get. So guys, it is the scenery, and now let's go to our next topic.
mm,
So guys, as you can see, there are also some people, they are fishing and they are also looking so good. There are two boats. They are like one kind of a small boat, and in this boat there are two people. Two people are on the boat, and also here you can see there are some heads of some people, and there are also some people, and they are also trying to help their friends, and they also catch the fishes together by like putting the net into the water. You also can see like a something like a border of many pieces of wood, like coloring pieces of wood, if you can understand, a circle. So it is the net. The net is also very big. There are some ducks also are just playing, and in front of you there are the Neermahal. So today we will not go in the Neermahal because now it is the morning time, and I always prefer to make videos in the morning time. And I also will say to you that it is the morning time, that's why nobody is here also, like a crowd of people, and we are also just making the video in the boat. But after some moment, the main boatman, they also will come and they will kick us from here. So that's why I am just taking the benefits of this moment. Always remember, life will give you opportunities, but the main work is you have to understand the opportunities and you have to use the opportunity. Like now this boat is fully open, that's why we also are just making it is the spot, it is the mean the bank of the like lake, and there is also we just entered in the boat, and I am making and I am doing fun with this English language. So it is the thing, whenever you will just practice anything, then just describe anything. Like this book, you can see it is the seats of this boat, and after a moment these seats will be filled full with people, and everyone we will, and also the people will go in the Neermahal by the help of this boat. It is also a good scenery. I will try to show you what is in the Neermahal, but for that you have to complete the target of 200 likes and also 50 comments if in this video. Then also I will give a tour of the whole Neermahal. But now I am here, like here you can see it is the ending moment of the boat. Like please move the camera there. Like here is also many seats are there, and the seats are totally red. Like these boat seats are red, and these boat seats are just green, and the another one is yellow. This is the boats. So there is also are many kind of birds are chirping the trees, and I also don't know what the name of these plants, but they're also very beautiful. It is also very peaceful. When I just sit here, then I feel so peace. No one is just disturbing us. We also are just making video. I am talking with you. So this thing is also very important for everyone. And if you also want to go in the Neermal, then then also you need some tickets. The first ticket that you need in the gate of the Neermahal that I shows you, and then the second ticket is in the boat. If you want to tour the Neermahal, then obviously you have to go to it with the help of this boat, and that's why you also have to pay, I think, 50 rupees for to travel with the boat. And then in the gate of the Neermahal also you need some money. So that's why it is a very famous tourist spot. You have to just invest something, otherwise you can't explore it. But it is a very good spot to speaking, to practicing. That's why I always tell you, the place, the backgrounds, the nature also will give you many motivation. And I'm also feeling so good, guys. That's why I am not just standing there. Also the sunshine is also like middle, the weather is very nice. I think that after few days the winter season also will arrive. That's why I am just trying to make videos as I can. And my exam is also are not far, and it is the thing, best thing that I want to tell you, that this Neermahal is also one of a very famous picnic spot. Yes guys, whenever also it's the time to picnic, then many people they also come here together by bus, and then they also just cook food together, they eat food together, they enjoy the Neermahal. And there are also many spots you can see, there are many stairs, and people they also just picnic there by cooking the dishes. And I also want to say everyone that I have come in this Neermahal more than 20-30 times, and I also did the picnic there. So that's why I'm also telling. Are you also listening the hear of the ducks? So it is very beautiful. The Neermahal, the natural things is there. So guys, it is the thing I want to tell you. And the Neermahal is also one of a very big castle, also palace you can say, and of Raja Bir Bikram Kishore Manika. So guys, it is the thing. Now, do you have any question to ask me?
Yes, I have a question. How do you feel when you have come here?
So it is also a very great question. When I have come here, then I was very shocked. I know that I have come here more than 20 times, but whenever I come here, I also feel so good. I just feel that everything is very new for me, but it is obvious. So it is also very beautiful. The people are doing their work. I am also doing my work. So it is the thing.
It is a thing. So another is how you feel this environment, and what do you learn from this environment?
So this environment, the environment of Neermahal also teaches us a number of things. Like you can see the people, they are also working for their lives, and the environment is so cool. And it also gives us many lessons. And whenever you also will come here, you also can understand. Now I am telling you, you are just watching the environment, beautiful spots, and I think this Neermahal is fillful with beautiful spots. So it is the thing. I also love the environment of Neermahal.
Now, I have another question. English language, about the English language. Uh, when we go here and there, we can use this language, and how important this language, English language.
So I wanna tell to everyone, this English language is very important. These boats is also everything is in English. Like here you can see, it is the engine of the boat, and there also everything is in the English language. Everything, the all of the machines, all of the materials, all of the nuts, all of the electrical things, everything is in English. And nowadays, like our phone, like everything, okay, most of the thing is English. And if you also want to be anything, it can be anything. Like it can be the doctors, it can be engineer, it can be scientist, it can be artist. In every way you need the English language. Okay, and for the conversation also you need the English. Like just imagine you became a very big businessman, and now you want to share and spread your product to whole over the world. Now what you are gonna do? You don't know the English language, you only just know one language, and it is the Hindi. Now it's obvious you can't just communication with anyone with the help of the in Hindi language only, because every countries have their another language. And I am also sure that none of us are gonna learn the Japanese, the USA language, or any another language, because it is also will be one of the a waste of our time. Okay, so I always tell this English is also one of the very helper for us, and with the only English language we can do the conversation communication, and this English language helps us to do communication with any another country's people. So it is the thing.
So that's it. Now, give us some advices. How can I develop my English speaking?
So, as I always tell to everyone, if you want to develop your English speaking skills, then you have to speak, otherwise, you can't. Because this language is also like the riding cycle. If you want to ride the cycle, then you have to push the pedals. You have to ride the cycle in the road, otherwise, you can't. So, this thing, I'm also speaking now in front of everyone. It doesn't mean that I'm only making video, I'm advising, I'm also practicing. As you just listen for a moment, that I also describe the Neermahal, I describe the boats, I describe the fishermen. So it is also a very big practice for me. Okay, so remember everything. If you want to develop your speaking skill, you have to speak. And if you don't have any like a particular topic to speak, then I will tell you describe anything. Okay, make new sentences. Only
Also,
the
like environment. Also.
yes, environment. Like describe your environment. It can be your home environment, it can be your society environment, it can be any sports environment. Just try to explain them, because what the explaining gonna help you. If you explain something, then the first benefit will be that your making sentence process will be developed, and it is very important for us. Because whenever someone, it can be that if anyone just asks you any question like a strange person, then also you have to give the answer in English. So that's why like sentence making process is very important, and explaining something will just help you to do the same.
I think also environment, and when you go in environment, then some sentences on spot you can make.
Yes, it is very important.
It is very important that's why you have to go here and there.
There, yeah, and it is also like outdoor side making video. I always advise everyone, just try to practice the English outdoor. It can be with your friend, it can be with your selfie stick, because when you will speak the English language in the outdoor, then we also can remove the fear from people. Many people are watching me, I am sitting in a boat, I am speaking English, they are also laughing at me, they are doing some noises, but I don't care. I am just focusing in my practice, and it will be also one of the best practice for me, I think.
So now, tell me something about there are some fishermen and
So
their
as
life.
I also
About their life.
about their life, so as I tell that they also earn money by the Rudrasagar. By what? By also just catching the fish every morning, early in the morning. They come here, they prepare their boats, they prepare themselves, and then they just go in the lake, and then
That's wrong. When we have come here,
yeah,
then
I also observed some fishermen like near about 8 o'clock. They are just preparing themselves, and then after preparing their nets, they just go in the lake, and then everywhere in every corner they just explore, and then they catch the fishes. And then after catching the fish, they take all of the fish. There are also, you can see in a boat there are 3 4 people, and then after catching they just divide all of the fish by themselves, and then they go in the market and they sell the fishes, and the money they get they just invest to their family members. They also help their family members. Yes,
with this
they,
money, they
they with the help of the fishes they live. So it is the life and it is the style of a fisherman, and I think it is also one of a very hard thing, because fishing the fishes is also not so very easy. They need more and more patience. They just go in the river, like deeper and deeper in the river, with playing in their life. So it is also, every work is very hard. So it is the thing. So guys, thank you for watching this video till the end. Bye bye. I will meet you in the next video, and as I tell to everyone that if this video hits the target 200 like and also 50 comment, then I will just give you the tour of the Neermahal. Okay guys, bye bye. Thank you for watching. Just subscribe this channel and hit the bell icon, like this video, and also comment a beautiful comment. Thank you for watching. Just remember guys, listen English, read English, write English, but speak English with Pratik Burman. Bye bye.